If everything was going great, going well, we wouldn't need a new CEO, would we? Sometimes things have to collapse for the right people to come in. The true believers, the people who really have the strength, the courage, and the capability, the skills to turn it around. And that, I think that's what's happened in Dtravel. We've basically, what's happened is that all the people, all the shit has gone. All the crap, all the chaff has been burnt away in this whole period of time. All the weak hands have left. All the people who really didn't care about Dtravel have gone. And now is our moment to rebuild from the ground up. But we don't have to throw everything away. We have a business, an application that works. And so that will be the foundation of the future. So what we have to do now, and this is what I'm doing, is supporting and getting behind the new leadership, the new CEO, and trusting in him. Because at the end of the day, what can I do? Am I going to sell? No, of course not. I don't care. I'm not going to sell. Whatever happens, I'd rather it go to zero than sell. Yeah, because look at where we are. If I wanted to sell, I should have sold at 9 cents. If I really wanted to, I should have sold at 9 cents. Okay. If I wasn't going to sell at 9 cents, why would I sell at 0.0015? It makes no sense. That's ridiculous. Why would you sell at 0.0015 if you're not looking to sell at 5 cents? Yeah, if anything, we're in a better situation now than we were at 9 cents. In 9 cents, you had a broken tokenomics, terrible leadership, and people who are completely delusional and disconnected from crypto. Yeah, you didn't sell. And here you have new leadership, people who are true believers, working their guts off, who've promised to turn this around and pour everything into it with a new vision, a new game plan, taking what works on the old and getting rid of everything else. And you want to sell? See the difference?